Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying capabilities. Check whether your TV supports AirPlay, Chromecast, Miracast, or simply a USB/HDMI input. Once confirmed, make sure your phone or computer is on the same Wi-Fi network as the TV for wireless casting. Plug an HDMI or USB cable if you plan a wired connection. Install the TV's casting app or a compatible photo app on your device. Then enable screen mirroring or casting in the device's settings so the TV can appear as a target device. Next, perform the main steps for the method you chose. For wireless casting, open your Photos app, tap the Cast or AirPlay icon, then select the TV. Adjust quality or device settings if offered. If using HDMI, connect the cable, switch the TV to that input, then open your computer's photo viewer or file explorer and drag files to the screen. For USB, copy images onto the drive's route, insert it into the TV, and use the built-in media player to locate and open your pictures for slideshow controls. Finally, begin the slideshow and confirm framing. Set aspect ratio to fit the TV's display, adjust slide duration, and use your remote or device to pause or skip images. Make sure the TV's media player or the casting app is selected as the active source so controls respond. If the images don't show, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart both the TV and your sending device, verify permission prompts were accepted, and update firmware or app software. This resolves most connection and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.